Hi guys, so the last tutorial was a tutorial on Peppercurd Designer, which is a program that you can import your model into and unfold it. But now this is for Peppercurd Viewer. This is a free software program. It's very much like Peppercurd Designer, except here you can't unfold anything. You have to make sure that your file was prepped originally in the Peppercurd Designer software before you do anything. So this one is free. It's for viewing any kind of PDO file, and its usefulness or handiness comes in when you actually start to assemble your model. So here, this is the same layout. I didn't really change anything. Hopefully yours, is a lot better laid out than mine is. But this is just to show you how this one works, the software works. So in Peppercurd Viewer, you drag or rotate your model by just right-clicking and dragging. Zoom works the same way, and the panning, I don't think there is a panning on this one actually. Oh wait, no, there is, sorry. It's the same as last time. You just left-click, not left-click, click on your scroll wheel to pan. So the reason I'm showing you this is because for those of you who are laser cutting your pieces, like I mentioned before, when you laser cut them, unfortunately Peppercurd doesn't export the page ID numbers. So I showed you at the very end of the last video that if you zoomed in, you could see the page IDs right here. So I mean the part IDs, sorry. So 107, this one right here would go with that one, 102 would go here, and so on and so forth. But because it doesn't export that, this is useful for when you've laid out all your pieces or you cut all your pieces and you're trying to actually put them together. For example, here it's fairly simple because you could tell right there, I hovered over it and the red shows me which parts connect to what, like that. So all along this edge will connect to that edge, but on a piece that's completely separate or further away. So when you're laying it out, let's say you don't know what to do with this piece here. If I touch an edge, it'll show me where it needs to go or to what part it connects to. So this becomes really handy for when you're actually assembling your part. Or like right here, it shows me that this part needs to be connected to this side. So when you print everything, just make sure you keep track of the order that you've laid things out, so you know where to find all your pieces that you've laid out everywhere. And like I said, this is just a viewer file, so you can't edit anything necessarily. So this is like after you've already printed everything and you're trying to piece it together, because you'll see, let's say you realized, oh, that wasn't smart, I should have put this maybe closer to here, or like I don't want my pieces to be laid out everywhere. You can't edit that. You can't click and drag this. It doesn't move the piece onto the layout anywhere on the layout. You can click on it and it'll show you where it is on the model. And that's for your reference again, but you can't actually edit anything in this piece of software. It's more just to view PDO files. Yep, and that's it.